In this class, I am going to tell you how this form is working. Okay, first of all, I am going on my users as well as user model, and as well as I am going to open add form. Okay, we have users, it is in controller. We have users model, it is in models, and we have add form, it is located into addform.php. Alright, and its output is in our Google Chrome web browser. Alright, I have added username, password, and full name. When I click on save, it performs a operation on the form. Okay, what operation? It goes to base URL, which is our localhost /MVC underscore crude, and index users and insert. Okay, it go to the insert function into the users, and you can see that it insert function and it's load another file as an insert. Okay, the function go to the insert, and what function is performing their operation? It get values as a username, password, and first name. Whatever value inserted in the field of username, password, and first full name. Alright, and whatever value included in it, when we click on save button, the query will perform of user model as a insert user. Okay, and these all variable will call into insert user. The definition of this insert user, which is in user model, I am going to open users model, and here you can see that insert user and user. If any data inserted into the insert user, then insert user into user. Alright, whatever value has been posted it in controller as a users, the value post as a username has been posted as an input, and password has been posted as an input, and first name has been posted as a first name, and then it call as a query into user model. What is query into user model? It is insert. Alright, the insert function has been called with db. It inserted whatever value which is posted into controller as a user, it value posted, and each and everything. If query has been successfully passed, then header redirect location on base URL index file. Okay, for suppose when I click on this value inserted with the help of controller and models, then it redirect on location here. The value has been submitted successfully and redirect it into index file on base model. It's very easy, and now I'm going to add it once again. When I click on add new, the function has been called add new, and add new edit form has been loaded, and I added value right here into username, password, and first name. When I click save, it call users as a controller. This function of insert is posted username, password, and then query will be called as a user model. Into the user model, we have a function which return a value as a user model, which returns value into the database and insert this whatever values posted into the users table. It is a table name users, and it is variable whatever value is stored in this user. Okay, you can see here the value of users. These all values are stored into the users, and it is inserted into our users table with the help of our users model, and it is automatically, when each and everything has been successfully inserted, it will redirect with control. The redirection is controlled into header function, and location is on base URL index. When query has been passed successfully, then it controlled and it redirected on index file. The index file is MVC crude here. Alright, I hope you understand easily how data inserted with MVC. Controller and modules, how our control is work and how our user modules is work. Okay, the query function is performed into our user models, and we perform a query as an insert, and the control function, the controller or user function is posted username password, and it calls user models with control query, and query perform in users. Alright, take care, goodbye.